Well, howdy, y'all.
Thanks, y'all, for coming along on this walk at the River of Skulls. Let's go explore. Beep, 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 beep. We came to get a little bit of fresh air and go for a walk this morning. We're at River of Skulls Nature Trail. A little nature classroom over here on the side. Does anyone know what this is? Scat. A pretty little butterfly. Flip, flip, flip. That's a really tall trail, so we're gonna head back. Got it, it's a skull. More scat. That looks like cat scat. Look at all the quartz. Here we go. Here's the dam from the top of the hill. And it's a pretty peaceful lake. The lake is extremely low though. And here is the Sierra Mountains and it's snowing. Thanks for watching, y'all.